Now this is a men's kit for guys with oilier skin. I call it a men's kit not because the other products aren't suitable for men, but just in case you are a man who's not feeling confident with choosing skincare and you wanted a selection of things already picked out, or if you were buying for a man who you thought you could just present him with this whole set of skincare. These are 5 products that will work really well, as I said before, for oily skin. So we've got first the Neostrata Foaming Glycolic Wash, which will give a mini exfoliation with that glycolic acid as you wash. So that's a great one to start with. Then on dry skin, vitamin C, this is the Potent C serum from Belgravia Dermatology. It's a high-strength vitamin C serum with added peptides and hyaluronic acid. So that will really brighten and strengthen the skin. And then a moisturizer, and not to run screaming from a moisturizer because this is a really lightweight moisturizer. It's Profilo's Henkenium, and all skin needs hydration in the form of moisture. And this is oil-free, so that you'll barely know it's there. And this is a sunscreen, which again is something not to be frightened of because it's really lightweight, it's a gel, it's the Oilier oil-free gel. It will just sit on the skin, vanishingly light, and it will protect from UV damage, which is what is accelerating aging in the skin. So that's why you need one of those. And then at night time, I'd suggest adding a retinol into the regime. This is the Medicate 3TR retinol, because retinol, among its other benefits for regenerating the skin and softening wrinkles and helping with pigmentation, it's really good at helping normalize oil production in the skin. So that will help take down the oiliness of oily skin and help keep pores clear. I'd only recommend using this a couple of nights a week to start with, just while your skin acclimatizes to the retinol. And after the retinol has sunk in, if it's starting to make your skin a bit dry, and it might, because even oily skin can be dehydrated, in which case what you need is a moisturizer on top. That might sound counterintuitive, but you don't want your skin producing more oil to try and compensate for the oil balancing that the retinol is doing. So a moisturizer, an oil-free moisturizer, is a really good one to go on afterwards in the evening. But because you're only using that a couple of nights a week, on the other nights, use the vitamin C, and then if you want, you could add the moisturizer on top, or just that on its own.